All right, guys, it's Yard Dog, Operation Speedwell, Global War 1936 version 4.3. Playing as the Soviets, Republicans, and CCP. It's be turn 6. It's January 1939. So, first thing I need to do is roll for my income. Right now we're sitting at 14. So, oh my gosh. Well, I'll take a 2. That's terrible. But I did get 2 pretty good rolls before that, so we'll take it. Now we're at 16. So that means that we can now do research. Laid my dice out already. I've got the commander for the Allies on my turn here. I was watching him do his turn and stuff earlier, so just happened to be on at the same time. So we got 4 major factories, and we get 1 for having the 3 cities. So that's 5 rolls. Well, let's see how we did. Man, this is a terrible start to the Soviet Union on income and rolls. But sometimes that's how the game goes. So we missed on 4, hit on 1. All right, well, we'll get into it with the CCP. CCP has income of 6, and we banked 4, so now we have 10. We're going to spend 1 IPP to influence CKing. The only things we have right now is we're going to move infantry into Shantung and cavalry into Ho Pei. So it's going to give us 2 more IPP, which should bring us up to 8 total from 6. And for recruitment roll, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's going to be a 6 or less on this one. And then our income is going to be a 2, or not a 2. Our influence is going to be a 2. So hopefully we can get a 2. 7. Nope, no influence. All right. And recruitment. 3. So at least we got recruitment. Okay. We'll just keep moving guys in here until we can't move them in here no more. Okay, so CCP turn is done. We've got 9. We're going to bank 8. That gives us 17. And that does it for the CCP. Oh, yeah, we got to move this guy. Thanks. All right. CCP is done. While we're over here, we'll just, before we forget, we always roll for Mongolia. We haven't hit on Mongolia the entire game, but let's roll it. And a 12. Worst roll we could get. Awesome. Only combat that we're going to do is Finland. Oh yeah, we cannot do Finland because we're not at wartime right now. So scratch that. save that for later. Okay, put the planes back over here in Leningrad in the 74th, and we'll wait. So essentially we have no combats. We have 2 rails. We're going to rail. We're going to go rail to here. And we're going to move all these troops off the coast into Cheetah. Here. Okay. And those are done. This guy is going to move back over here. And this guy is going to rail over here. I think our access player is being a little sneaky by bringing all these guys over here. Yep. So we're going to move this guy over here. And we're going to move this guy over here. Move this guy up into here. Move our anti-aircraft up into here. Oops. We'll put it over here. Okay. We go. And we're going to move this guy back down over here, replacing him. And then we'll move this light armor down here. And yeah, move him in. Let's see if there's anybody else. Move one of these guys down here. Okay, so normally we start with the buys, but we don't have any buys. We've had 14. We had 15 because we saved one, and now we're banking 16, so it's going to give us 31. And I guess we'll see what happens on the next turn. Thanks for watching. This is Yard Dog signing out.